All right, here are our JBL, these are the SRX728S Subs. We've had these for a long time, and the rust has been on there for quite a while. And at some point in the future, I'm going to have to take the speaker covers off and redo them. But that's going to take a little bit of time. So in the meantime, what I do, now this is only the second time I've done it, is I actually will sort of clean the outside of the grill. Now you can tell the difference between the upper cabinet and the lower cabinet. There's a coarse scrubbing pad on it, and then I go over it with a small vacuum to pull up any dust, and then as a final I'll take a towel and just start wiping it down with a towel. Okay, and the reason why I'm doing this, I'm just trying to keep them sort of cleaned up till I have time to actually pull the grill covers off and do it the right way. I've already done the top cabinet, so let's do the bottom cabinet. So I'm not putting much pressure on here, just enough to get it to come off. Of course, that's gonna be up to you to figure out how much pressure to put on here, but I'm not putting much, maybe a pound, if that. The one thing that you'll notice after doing this, you can probably tell right here how much of like a rust dust that's on it, is down here. This is very coarse. I can feel this. The one up here, a lot smoother. As you can probably tell, I don't know how you can see that. You can see the amount of rust that's on it. All right, let's get the vacuum. All right, then I will follow up with just a slightly damp cloth. And all I'm doing is just going to wipe it down, get the rest of that dust off of here that the vacuum may not be able to get. Yeah, look at that. Now it does seem sort of odd because it's the moisture that causes the rust, and now I'm putting a slightly damp cloth on it. I'm not too worried about that. The rust won't set in that quickly on it, and as I said, this is just a temporary solution. Alright, yeah, you can already sort of tell the difference between the lower section and this upper section, so let's go down here and work on this. All right, that should be about it. That bottom cabinet looks a lot better. Looks like the top one. And on these cabinets, they do have some deeper scuffs and scrapes on the grills. So that means the grills are doing their job. But yeah, these cabinets are fairly old, and but they still pump out the power. So anyway, we have no intentions of getting rid of them. All right, so hopefully in the future I'll be able to do a video covering the whole cleaning pardon me, the whole painting and refreshing of the speaker covers. All right, and as I said, this is just a temporary solution till I can get around to actually refurbishing the grill covers correctly. All right, thanks for watching.